everyone, welcome to Vita Naturale TV. If today is your first time coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload video, you will be the first to notified, okay? Remember, in this channel, I do cooking, vlogging, and reviews. So my amazing people, I just want to drop this message here today. It's very important for most of us, most especially if you live here in Europe. So a few days ago, I posted a video on my channel where I went and take COVID-19 vaccine. So I got a comment there. Someone was asking me, why did you have to take the COVID-19 vaccine? So I just came out here today to explain some few things. Look, my amazing people, if you live here in Europe, please try and obey the rules and regulation. It doesn't really necessarily mean that you must have the COVID-19 before you will go to hospital and take it. And remember, here in Italy, they always change their laws. They always change laws all the time. So 2 weeks ago, there is a new law that came out. They say that as from 12 years upward, you must go and take the COVID-19 vaccine. And they have different type of COVID-19 vaccine. They have the AstraZeneca and they have Pfizer, okay? So now, me and my family, we went to hospital and take the Pfizer, okay? Because I don't have the COVID. My husband don't have it. None of my kids have the COVID. So this is just for prevention. Why? Because I go out every day. I communicate with people. And my children go out every day. They play with other children. So we just need to take the COVID-19 vaccine. It's for protection. I don't have it. None of my family have it. My husband is going to work every day. There are a lot of people working in my husband's company where my husband used to work. There are many people there. So all of them, they have already taken the COVID-19 vaccine. Before, my husband was very afraid. Even me, I was very, very afraid. I was telling my husband, no, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take it. To the extent, I called my mom in Africa. My mom was telling me, no, my pikin, I beg, no take am, I beg, no take am. Because last time, people die well for Africa. I told my mom, relax. Italy is different. So Italy is different. Many people, even all my neighbors here, all of them, they have already taken the COVID-19 vaccine. I was very afraid. I said, no, I don't want to take it. I don't want to take it. But the main reason why I take this COVID-19 vaccine, just few days before we went to hospital, there was one of my husband's friend that contacted the COVID. My husband was very, very shocked. So the person contacted the COVID. Immediately, my husband go to chemist to do test. You know, that the other test that they used to put something in somebody's nose. My husband went there and do test. And glory be to God, they said the test is negative. So after 3 days, my husband said, look, Amon, we just have to go to hospital and take the vaccine. So my husband makes some information. They said, no, it doesn't pain, you know, it's very good for you guys to take the vaccine. Because why? My husband used to go out every day. My daughter used to go to a friend's house. They used to play together and all those things. I said, okay, no problem. So we went to hospital. It's very easy, guys. Once you have your papers, if you have your papers, because the form that they gave to us, what you need to do in that form is to write your name, where you were born, your house address, the place you based on, then the number of your document and your telephone number and email. Finish. And the one that you want to take. So the one that we took was Pfizer. So they give me the injection in my hand. I even showed the video. So I don't have the COVID. What I just did is to take the injection for prevention. Okay, it's just for prevention. Please, if you know that you are Africa, because there are a lot of videos that I watched some time ago. Many people, many African people, they were saying that, oh, COVID is not for the black people, it's for the whites. No, that is discrimination. This sickness doesn't discriminate. Black can contact it, white can contact it. All you need to do is to prevent yourselves. I see some people, even when they are going out, some black people, most especially black community, whenever they are going out, they don't wear masks. Most of them don't wear masks. They will be saying, no, COVID-19 is not for me. I reject it. Before you reject it, please protect yourself. Some of them will be saying, I'm covered with the blood of Jesus. I know blood of Jesus do cover people, but at times you need to prevent yourself. They say prevention is better than cure. So my message here today is that if you know that you live here in Italy, look, Italy law is very, very strong. Italy and Germany, they are not the same. Italy law is very, very strong. About 6 months ago, my kids, all of them, they were at home, studying in the computer. None of them were going to school. Why? Because many people, they contacted this virus. So right now, is an opportunity for everybody. They don't collect money. It's free. They don't collect money for the vaccine. Here is not Africa. You just go there, take your documents there, then you make pronotare. When you pronotare, they ask you which one are you going to take, because they have the first one, second one. After taking the second one, they said that they will this thing. There is app now. They call it Green Pass. So without that Green Pass now, you cannot go outskirts of the place that you are living. You cannot enter train. You cannot enter flight. You understand? So I just need to take this vaccine. It's for my protection. It's for my protection. So that is the reason why I take it. If you're an African person like me, you live here in Italy, please go to hospital and take it. Don't wait until you start having headache or you start having cough and catarrh before you can rush to hospital. You know, many people, many Africans like us, they normally do that thing until they are sick, until they are no more talking, before they will rush them to hospital. Look at how people are dying every day. I see a lot of videos. Some people travel to Africa. Before you know it, rest in peace, rest in peace. Why? You don't know what is the problem. Although in Africa, we have some witches and wizards and all those things, but there are some people who have sickness inside them. They can't go to hospital. Why? Some of them, they will say, oh, I'm a Christian, no, I don't used to take tablets. I'm a Christian. God is protecting me. If God is protecting you, you need to protect yourself. That is what I believe on. If God is protecting you, please protect yourself. Take this vaccine. It doesn't harm anybody. Here is not Africa. Here is not Africa. Italian doctors, they are well trained. They are well trained. I believe in them. Okay? So that is what I want to say here today. I don't have the virus, but me and my family, we just went to the hospital and take the vaccine. It's just for protection. For protection. Okay? Please, if you have children at home, if you have children like 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, you can go to hospital, make a fixed date. They call it prenotazione. Pronota. When you pronota, they will give you the date. Or you call them, you call the hospital, tell them that you want to come and take COVID-19 vaccine. They will give you appointment. Then when you go there, you just need to fill the form. It's not hard. Maybe the thing might even take you like 2 hours or 1 hour. Depend. If people are plenty there, you will stay. Then after everything, they will give you the injection. So me, I take the injection. That day I was feeling the pain. I think we went there on Sunday. On Sunday that I took the injection, I was feeling pain in my hand here. Then on Monday, I was feeling pain. But now the pain has relieved me. Nothing. There is nothing like any like headache or cough or catarrh. So I have taken the first one and they said that we should come back September and take the second one. After the second one, they give us the permission to download Green Pass. So in case we are traveling, in case we want to go to another state or we are taking flight, it's very, very important. You are going to show them. The thing will be on your phone because they will collect your phone number, your house address, and everything. After taking it, they will send message for you. In case you are traveling, they ask you, where is your Green Pass? You will show them in your telephone. They have that machine. They will use it to control it, whether you take it or not. They will register it. Then you are free to travel. So that is it. It's very important, my people. Remember, this sickness doesn't discriminate. Okay, being white or black. So we are just protecting ourselves for goodness sake. That is what I want to say here today. Thank you, my amazing people. Thank you, everyone. Please don't play with your health. Okay, don't play with your health. Don't wait until you can no longer walk, you can no longer talk before they will rush you to hospital. Please just go there. Take the vaccine. It's for protection. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you like my wig. Remember, I made this wig by myself. Thank you everyone. Till I come your way again. Bye.